Creating a subdomain and installing WordPress on Hostinger involves these steps. Log into hPanel. Access your Hostinger account and navigate to the hPanel. Manage domains. Locate and click on the Domains or Subdomain section in hPanel. Create subdomain. Under the Subdomain section, enter the name of your subdomain in the Create a Subdomain field. Select the domain where you want to create the subdomain. Configure subdomain. Once created, the subdomains directory will typically be created automatically in the public HTML folder of your main domain. Install WordPress. Return to the hPanel dashboard and find the Auto Installer or WordPress Installer section. Click on it to start the WordPress installation process. Select your newly created subdomain from the domain drop-down list. Choose the desired version of WordPress. Enter your desired WordPress admin username, password, and other details. Complete installation. Click on the Install button to initiate the installation process. Once completed, you'll receive confirmation along with links to your WordPress admin dashboard and your newly created subdomain. Access your WordPress site. Visit your subdomain in a web browser to access your newly installed WordPress site.